How to change icon shape in Nova Launcher. Open the Nova Launcher app. Scroll down. Find the option for look and feel and tap on it. Tap on the option icon style that you can see at top. Find the option for icon shape. You can find the options like default, squircle, rounded square, flower, etc. You can also find the option for more. Tap on it. You can see more shapes over here. You can also customize the shape by tapping on the option for custom. You can customize the top left, top right, bottom right, etc. You can do it if you want. I'm just going to choose one shape. Tap on the shape of your choice. Now the shape will be chosen. You can see over here the app shape has been changed. Like this, you can change app shape in Nova Launcher. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.